Hey, what's up? It's John from Dowie Farm here with your Microgreens Minute. I want to remind you that if you like these and you want to see more in-depth videos, you can join us on patreon.com/microgreens and subscribe for much longer, more in-depth videos on things. Right now, there's a few videos on there that are crop-specific planting videos like leeks and shiso and sunflower and peas. Actually, leeks is going up soon. That's not up there yet. And today is November or something. Anyway, talking about ventilation. I have this... I think it's a SunGrow fan, and it comes with this nifty little adjustment thing, okay? And like, if you grow pot, you know about this. But anyway, this little adjustment thing, and hear that thing go? It's pretty nice. Anyway, this fan, it's got a little blade in here, and I also have a, see that thing go? Yeah, and I can turn it off this way. There it goes, off. And she's gonna slow down to nothing. But this thing goes right out my window, and I keep her on low right now. Just because it's winter, I don't want to blow my heat out the window. I'm going to get a thermostatically controlled on-off for that, and that way it won't continue to blow my heat out the door necessarily. It'll just come off and on. I've got insulation over the window, and I've got that cut in. I should have used a collar to attach it, but it seems to work out just fine. I try to keep everything as simple as possible. But that's a nice little ventilation fan that I bought. It's pretty inexpensive, the whole shebang. And then there's a ducting tube that I bought for it that I don't have up yet because I haven't decided where I want it to go because it's winter, and up high is going to be my heat, down low is going to be my cool, and in the summer I would like to probably vent from the top and the winter from the bottom. So I'm going to have to figure out how to make that adjustable. Anyway, John Dowie from Dowie Farm with a Microgreens Minute. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.